In front of me is Doogee S Punk, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to hit system. Then select gestures. Click on one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it. If you are using trickies navigations, you need to scroll down instead. Use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Select Got It, and to use one-handed mode, tap on the shortcut. To go back, click on the same shortcut. Swipe up, or click on this area at the top. To disable it, use the same switcher. If you are using gesture navigation though, you need to activate one-handed mode. Sorry. Thanks to this switcher instead. Then make sure that pull screen into reach is on, and to access one-handed mode, you need to slide down from the bottom of the screen. Then go back by swiping up, or clicking on this area again. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!